Good morning, franchisees, course instructors, students and parents of IPA. First of all, let me thank you for your overwhelming support in the time of the pandemic to participate in large numbers in our national competition 2021. We were forced to conduct it online this year given the present situation, and I'm really impressed with the way the teachers have put in efforts, the students have practiced, and the parents have also cooperated at home to ensure that the children really perform well in this exam. There have been so many challenges in putting this together, and of course internet connectivity, so many issues, but I think overall it went on very smoothly, and for that I have to place on record the appreciation of the IPA staff, especially Amuda, Sashipriya and Balasubramaniam, who have helped us put together this online link. Of course, without the cooperation of our franchisees, of our teachers, and of course the students and the parents, this would not have been possible at all. In fact, I got a photo yesterday of a child in Sagar, Karnataka, sitting right in the middle of an open space to take the exam because that's where he could get the connectivity. So that shows the dedication of our students and the parents, and I was so impressed on seeing that in spite of all the problems that we're facing today, we have been able to conduct this so successfully. And we've had over 1,800 students participating from different states of India like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Bengal, Rajasthan and Punjab. In addition, this year, because it's online, we've also had our online Skype students participating. So we've had students from USA and from Europe, Australia and Dubai participating in the exam. So maybe going forward, hopefully next year we'll all be able to meet in person, but we'll probably also do a hybrid activity where we can have online students from different countries also participating. So this pandemic, while giving us a lot of problems, has also taught us a lot how to face the situation, how to convert the competition online. So many things it has taught us. Please stay safe, all of you, stay healthy and continue to support IPA. And I hope you're all enjoying the online classes as well. We'll try to bring in more things to make it more interesting. Thank you and congratulations to all the prize winners, and more importantly to all the participants, because it's not just about getting a prize, it's also, how much you improve when you participate, when you practice, you've learned how to do it quickly online. So this has been a fantastic learning experience, and I want to congratulate each and every participant who took part in the competition yesterday. All the best.
Hi, good evening to children, parents, franchisees and course instructors. You'll be receiving your results shortly. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. It's a 16th national level competition, and as Sharda mentioned, it's around 1,800 students have participated. Thank you all for putting in your efforts, practicing for a month, and some of them have attended the mock test, and you have practiced well, and all of you have done well also. And it's a new experience for all of us, and your participation made a lot of difference, and it's a new experience for all of us together, and we have learned a lot in this period. And thanks for all the IPA staff, both Chennai, Mumbai and in Bangalore. All of them have been in touch with all the franchisees and helping the students doing the mock test, and so thank you all. Here in this 16th level national competition, we allotted the COC first, second and third based on their DPM. So DPM, of course, is if the children are good in their concepts and with the speed. See, that is a very, very important factor. Many of the children have come out with very good DPMs. The COCs, those who have got the COCs, their DPM means it's their accuracy as well as the speed in which they have done. It's all the practice by the student, by the parent, and the teachers who have given them the good training. And I think others will, by practice and other things, we will be able to. Normally, we will be going by the number of correct sums. This DPM is, many of them are able to attend the addition and subtraction, as well as the higher categories, as well as the multiplication and division. And here, one thing I would like to mention is we are awarding a special prize for the children in the basic, both regular and elementary, advanced, and then in the grand level, who has scored the maximum. That's a special prize for them. It's a DPM. Those who have scored the best DPMs also. So next year, let us see. We would like to meet you all in person, do the competition in the huge, that is in the taking up the venue and in the huge manner. Again, what I would like to tell all children is, do a practice regularly, attend the classes, though it may be for other few more months, even if it is online. This will help you to improve your academics. See, the focus, the logical, the analytical skill, the memory skill, the concentration, what you are going to do, you have developed, all this is going to help you in your academics. Apart from this, definitely you children will perform well in your school maths as well, because the calculations and other things, you have an alternative method to check. So thank you all, and again congratulations to all the participants. Thank you.